The world of drones keeps evolving at a rapid pace. Every few years, we see major advancements, new technologies, better performance, and bigger creative possibilities. Right now, all eyes are locked onto DJI and their upcoming release, the Mavic 4 Pro. Excitement around this drone has been building for months. Leaks, rumors, and high expectations have made it one of the hottest topics in the drone community. But recently, uncertainty has crept in. Delays, missing features, and questions about whether DJI can meet the hype have taken center stage. Today, let's dive into everything we know, the good, the bad, and what the future might still hold for the Mavic 4 Pro. When it comes to drones, few names carry the weight that DJI does. From the groundbreaking Phantom series to the highly praised Mavic 3 Pro, DJI has consistently delivered innovations that set the industry standard. The Mavic 3 Pro, for example, was seen as a masterpiece, boasting an incredible camera, multi-directional obstacle avoidance, and strong battery life. Naturally, when rumors started swirling about the Mavic 4 Pro, expectations shot through the roof. Could DJI truly top what already felt close to perfection? Early leaks painted an ambitious picture. The Mavic 4 Pro was rumored to feature a fully redesigned gimbal system and brand new imaging technology. Promises of sharper photos, improved dynamic range, and faster autofocus had many drone enthusiasts dreaming. Two features in particular generated serious buzz: built-in electronic ND filters and an ultra-fast 240-watt charging system. Imagine adjusting exposure instantly without swapping out physical filters, or recharging a drained battery in just minutes instead of hours. These upgrades weren't just minor improvements, they could redefine how drones are used for fast-paced creative projects. Combine that with smarter flight AI, extended battery life, and enhanced obstacle avoidance, and it sounded like the ultimate drone for professionals and hobbyists alike. But innovation doesn't come easy. Originally, most insiders expected DJI to announce the Mavic 4 Pro in April 2025, keeping in line with their typical spring release cycle. However, April passed quietly, without any announcements or teasers. In DJI's world, silence can sometimes mean something exciting is coming, but this time, it hinted at trouble. Reports began surfacing that two of the most anticipated features were facing major challenges during testing. The electronic ND filters, for instance, struggled to adjust quickly enough when moving between different lighting conditions, like stepping from bright sun into shade. For filmmakers and photographers who depend on consistent exposure, that's a serious issue. Meanwhile, the high-speed 240W charging system was causing dangerous overheating problems. Fast charging generated more heat than the drone's design could safely handle, threatening performance and long-term durability. Addressing these setbacks isn't just a matter of software updates. It may require full hardware redesigns or even abandoning key features that had been hyped early on. Yet, it's not all bad news. There have been some exciting surprises as well. One of the biggest, the Mavic 4 Pro's ability to perform full 360 barrel rolls mid-flight and maintain stabilization while doing it, has been confirmed. This opens up a whole new realm of cinematic shots, previously only achievable with specialized FPV drones or complex rigs. DJI's advances in gimbal and stabilization tech have clearly taken a major leap forward, allowing creators to capture dynamic, dramatic footage with far less effort. Another possible change stirring conversation is related to video codecs. There's growing speculation that DJI might move away from supporting Apple's ProRes codec. Instead, the Mavic 4 Pro could embrace Sony's XAVCI for 2:2:2 format. For those unfamiliar, XAVCI is a top-tier professional codec known for its excellent color depth, dynamic range, and detailed highlight and shadow preservation. While it might not be as popular among Mac-based filmmakers as ProRes, XAVCI offers smaller file sizes, faster editing workflows, and less strain on storage without sacrificing image quality. While some die-hard ProRes users might miss it, the shift could bring real benefits: better efficiency, longer battery life, lighter hardware, and potentially lower prices. In the end, while the Mavic 4 Pro's journey hasn't been without bumps, there's still a lot to be excited about. DJI has a history of overcoming obstacles and delivering products that exceed expectations, and this drone might be no different.